Hey guys, so quick video. If your Ninja Kettle is not working, the one thing that you can try to do, maybe it's going to fix the issue. The first thing is that you want to completely disconnect it from the power source for like unplug it for like 2 to 3 minutes. So this is the first thing. The next thing that you can try to do is that you just need to clean it. So check the connectors, check the inside. For example, many times it's cleaned with the vinegar. Maybe that is going to help, but I hope it's just not going to be faulty. So primarily, if it's not working at all, you can also try a different outlet. Maybe that is going to fix the issue. So thank you very much, and yeah, hope it helped you at least a little bit. And have a great day, and goodbye.